This assignment is for my Padlet Animal Research, and the objective of the lesson is students will be able to search through various resources to find specific answers to questions that they have composed ahead of time about an animal of their choice. The students will also be able to create an online book to share with the class containing 3 to 5 specific facts that they have researched on their animal. This is important because being able to research efficiently and effectively is important nowadays because of the overwhelming amount of information, both fact and fiction, that you can find on the internet. Being able to create questions and find specific answers helps save time and helps create concise final products or projects. Our discussion question for this Padlet was, during your research, how did you filter through and find specific information for your animal? So basically, the students are being asked to look through their resources that's on the Padlet, and those resources are books and videos that they can look through to find specific information, like Epic Books. You can go on there and type in a specific animal name, and it'll bring up several books that you can look through, nonfiction, to get actual facts. There's also websites that you can use for safe search engines. So if you are going through, Google has several, like Kiddle and KidRex. Those are search engines that the students can use that will help them kind of stay away from inappropriate things on the internet when they're just trying to research for an animal. And there's also, um, one for dictionaries and thesaurus on there, for things that they might not understand when they're researching these animals, different words. And then there's a online tool called an animal inquiry where the student will put in the name of the animal, and then they can put in their 3 to 5 specific facts, and that will help them kind of organize their research. And then in the end, they'll be able to make a book online that's concise and has specific facts that will help the other students learn the information that they did. And I chose the Inquire and Create standard, the using evidence to create questions, devising and implementing a plan to fill knowledge gaps, that's creating those questions and then researching those answers, and generating a product that illustrates learning. And so that would be the online book. Thank you.